In this video, we shall discuss today's important topic of current affairs. So let's start. World Health Organization Good Manufacturing Practices WHO GMP. Under the scheme, medicines are procured from World Health Organization Good Manufacturing Practices, certified suppliers for ensuring the quality of products. Good manufacturing practices, also referred to as CGMP or current good manufacturing practice, is the aspect of quality assurance that ensures that medicinal products are consistently produced and controlled to the quality standards appropriate to their intended use and as required by the product specification. GMP also has legal components covering responsibility for distribution, contract manufacturing, and testing and responses to product defects and complaints. Another scheme is PM Mitra scheme. The government has the setting up of 7 PM Mitra textile parks following the union budget for 2021-2022 commitments with a total outlay of rupees 4445 crores in a period of 5 years. About PM Mitra scheme, the scheme aims to realize the vision of building an Atmanirbhar Bharat by positioning India strongly on the global textiles map. It is inspired by the 5 vision of Honorable Prime Minister: farm to fiber to factory to fashion to foreign. So PM Mitra, a landmark decision to empower textile sector. 7 Mitra parks with a total outlay of 4,445 crores in a period of 5 years. World-class industrial infrastructure to attract investment and generation of 7 lakh direct and 14 lakh of indirect employment. So the aim of the scheme is to create a world-class industrial infrastructure that would attract cutting-edge technology and boost FDI and local investment in the sector. Sites for the scheme will be selected by challenge method based on objective criteria for greenfield, brownfield sites. PM Mitra Park will be developed by a special purpose vehicle which will be owned by the central and state government in a public-private partnership mode. Each Mitra Park will have an incubation center, common processing house, and a common effluent treatment plant and other textile-related facilities such as design centers and testing centers. The master developer will not only develop the industrial park but also maintain it during the concession period. Under the scheme, the central will provide development capital support for the development of common infrastructure of rupees 500 crore for each greenfield Mitra Park and up to rupees 200 crore for each brownfield park. Brownfield describes a completely new project that has to be executed from scratch, while a brownfield project is one that has been worked on by others. Eligibility for incentives and additional of 300 crore will be provided as competitiveness incentive support for the early establishment of textiles manufacturing units in each of these parks. Investors who set up anchor plants that employ at least 100 people will be eligible for incentives of up to rupees 10 crore every year for up to 3 years. So what are the advantages of PM Mitra scheme? The scheme intended to generate approximately 1 lakh direct and 2 lakh indirect employment per park. The scheme will offer an opportunity to create an integrated textile value chain right from spinning, weaving, processing, dyeing and printing to garment manufacturing at one location that would ease business and will reduce logistics costs of the industry. So this was all about PM Mitra scheme. I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much.